How to cut, copy, and paste in Excel. If you're new to Excel and wants to learn these new and simple time-saving tricks, what you need to do is just follow these steps I will show you guys in this video. Now here I have opened up this sample Excel sheet. Now in order to copy all of these text, all of these cells, I'm just gonna select them all at once, and after that you can select this copy option, or you can simply press Ctrl C. Here I will create a new sheet and select this first cell, and from here I'm just gonna press Ctrl V or the paste option, which is right here. So simply go and do it, and as you guys can see, the whole sheet will lighten up but just by a single shortcut key. And now in order to cut, what we need to do is, for example, I want to cut text in this cell. I'm just gonna select this cell, press Ctrl X, and after that I will select the cell where I want to paste this data. So I'm just gonna press Ctrl V right here, and that's how you can go and cut and paste from cells to cells. And just like that, you'll be able to use these tricks and save your time in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.